this is Magnolia Avenue in St. Augustine, and this is the wall. It's a shell wall, very cool. Fountain of Youth, famous Fountain of Youth, where Ponce de Leon at that time was governor of Puerto Rico, found St. Augustine, which is the oldest city in the United States. And this was the first area that he landed, and he found Fountain of Youth here. He came here first. This is it, Fountain of Youth. It's a $18 admission ticket to go in, and this is something is going to be in our itinerary as well. It's Fountain of Youth Archaeological Park, some information. First Spanish mustard site in Florida, and this is the beautiful moss trees here, as you see. And this is a Cuban coffee, so that's the one here. So let's go back. I parked my car here today to just come down and enjoy this beautiful avenue. And then tomorrow is the day that we want to visit inside Fountain of Youth. It's one of a kind, so I think St. Augustine, and you can see similar thing in Savannah, and a little bit similar to this in Charleston, a little bit in New Orleans. But these are, I think, some unique cities with this beautiful moss trees. So let's take a look. Let's see some of the homes there. How cool, beautiful the houses are. This is one of them. So again, the shell wall, mosses, these beautiful trees, and inside Fountain of Youth in Magnolia Avenue.